Hello guys and welcome back to my HTML and CSS tutorial. In this lesson we are going to start with some borders on your content using CSS. So let's open our page1.html with notepad++. We'll use the same code we have saved from the last session. So we have an h1 selector with this content here. We have background color red and a padding. So let's remove the padding and leave only the background color red. Save it. Let's see this in Chrome. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to give it a nice border around this red background. Okay, so let's give it a border here. So this is the border attribute, and let's give it 3 pixel size border. Now we type solid, and now we type the color of the border. I'm going to give it a black color, so I'm going to type, remember we already saw a video about RGB colors or hex code for RGB colors. So the hex code for black color is 6 zeros. Okay, now this is my color. Save it, and let's refresh and see the border. And there it is, a 3 pixel size border, solid border and black color. Okay, so there is another type of border we can type, is dotted. Okay, so instead of a solid and continuous line of a border, we will have a dotted border like this, but normally I prefer a solid border. Save. Okay, it is the most common border. So now you know how to make some borders, and now I'm going to teach you another property which doesn't have to do with borders, but it has to do with CSS. But it is another property on CSS. Let's go to the body and take off h1 tag, and let's write 2 paragraphs. My name is Shafiq, and you can type whatever you want in a paragraph. And my name is Shafiq, and close the P. Okay, so now we have 2 paragraphs, and let's type the P selector. Let's save it and open this in Chrome. So here it is, that 2 paragraphs. And now let's give it a background color red. Save it. Let's refresh, and now we have the background color for those 2. And now I'm going to teach you another property to use in CSS, which is the margin. It will control the space between those 2 paragraphs. So let's write here margin, and then let's give it a 5 pixel. Save. Let's open the browser, refresh, and now we have the 5 pixel margin. So let's give it 15 pixel margin. Save, refresh. There it is, 15 pixel margin. And we can use margin and then top. Okay, let's see the result of this. Okay, there it is. It gives 15 pixel margin on top of each paragraph. If we type only margin, it will give a 15 pixel all around. You see the 15 pixel not only from the top but from left and right also, 15 pixels margin. So if you want 15 pixel space from paragraph to paragraph from top, we have to type it like this, top, and now you'll see that we only have a space from top, not from the left and right, only from top to top, from desktop and from desktop here. So we have 0 from left and right. But if you want only from left, we can also do that by go on and type margin left 15 pixels. Let's see this in browser, refresh, and there it is. Okay, so this is all for this video. We'll continue with some more properties on CSS in next video. If you have any question or suggestion, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Bye.